Welcome to last session of this chapter, sequence and series. In last class we discussed arithmetic mean and geometric mean and some problems on them. In this class we study some more problems on arithmetic mean and geometric mean. Problems. If arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers a and b are 10 and 8 respectively, find the numbers. Here arithmetic mean and geometric mean of two positive numbers are given. We have to find the numbers. Given arithmetic mean equal to formula a plus b by 2. Let the numbers be a and b. I take the numbers a and b. Then arithmetic mean of the numbers a and b is given by a plus b by 2, that is given for us, that is equal to 10. It implies a plus b equal to 20. Call it as equation 1. Geometric mean is also given. Geometric mean formula square root of AB that is equal to 8. It implies AB equal to 64. Call it as equation 2. Here the sum of two numbers is 20 and the product of them is 64. Therefore numbers are 16 and 4. We directly written a equal to 16 or b equal to 4, because 16 plus 4 20, 16 into 4 64. Or now ಈ ತರ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. We have a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. a plus b whole square a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 4ab. So plus 2ab minus 4ab, that is minus 2ab agata. Therefore a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is a minus b whole square. A plus b here 20 square 400 minus 4ab, 4 into 64, that is 256. It implies 144. Therefore a minus b equal to square root of 144, that is 12. Call it as equation 3. 1 plus 3 gives equation 1 plus equation 3 gives equation 1 a plus b equal to 20, equation 3 a minus b equal to 20. Add these two, plus b minus b cancel, 2a equal to 20 plus 12 32. It implies a equal to 16. Equation 1 minus equation 3 gives a minus a cancel, b minus into minus plus b. So 2b equal to 20 minus 12 8. It implies b equal to 4. Therefore numbers are 16 and 4. Next problem. Let a and g be arithmetic mean and geometric mean respectively between two positive numbers. Prove that the numbers are given by a plus or minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Given that a and g, capital A and capital G, be the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the numbers. Let capital A and capital G be the arithmetic mean and geometric mean of the numbers A and B. We have arithmetic mean A equal to formula a plus b by 2. It implies 2a equal to a plus b. Call it as equation 1. And geometric mean g equal to, geometric mean of the numbers a and b is given by square root of ab. It implies g square equal to a into b. Call it as equation 2. We know that a minus b whole square equal to a plus b whole square minus 4ab. That is equal to a plus b here 2a square, 4a square minus 4ab here g square, 4g square. It implies a minus b equal to, a minus b whole square equal to 4a square minus 4g square. I take square root both sides. A minus b equal to 4 common here, square root of 4, 2 into square root of a square minus g square. A square minus g square. It implies 2 into square root of a square minus g square can be written as a plus g into a minus g. Call it as equation 3. Equation 3. Now, equation 1 plus equation 3 gives a plus b equal to 2a. Here a minus b equal to 2 into square root of a plus g into a minus g. Add these two, 2a equal to plus b and minus b cancel, 2a plus 2 times square root of a plus g into a minus g. It implies a equal to, here 2 common, cancel with these two, a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. That is one number. That is the required number. 1 minus equation 3, equation 1 minus equation 3 gives, here a minus a cancel, b minus into minus plus 2b equal to 2a minus 2 into square root of a plus g into a minus g. It implies b equal to, here 2 common, cancel with this 2, a minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. That is another number. Therefore, required numbers here, a plus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Another one is a minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Therefore, required numbers are a plus or minus square root of a plus g into a minus g. Next one, if arithmetic mean and geometric mean of roots of a quadratic equation are 8 and 5 respectively, then obtain the quadratic equation. Here, arithmetic mean and geometric mean of roots of a quadratic equations are 8 and 5 respectively, then obtain the quadratic equation. I take the quadratic equation as ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic equation means polynomial of degree 2. Here a not equal to 0. Let the quadratic equation be ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. Suppose a equal to 0, 0 into x square 0, then it is becomes bx plus c equal to 0. That is linear equation, but here given equation is quadratic, therefore a must be not equal to 0. I dividing both sides by a, then it implies x square plus b by a x plus c by a equal to 0. Call it as equation 1. Let alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation 1. Given what is given for us? Arithmetic mean and geometric mean of roots of a quadratic equations are given. I taken roots are alpha and beta, therefore alpha plus beta by 2 arithmetic mean of them, that is equal to 8, and square root of alpha beta, that is equal to 5. It implies alpha plus beta equal to 16 and alpha into beta, that is equal to 25. In high school level, we know the relationship between roots of a quadratic equations and coefficients of a quadratic equation. Suppose ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 is a quadratic equations and alpha and beta are the roots of it, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a and alpha into beta equal to c by a. If ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, here a is the coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, c is a constant term, alpha and beta are the roots of this quadratic equation, then we know that alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta equal to c by a. Here alpha plus beta equal to 16, that is equal to minus b by a. B by a, it implies, therefore b by a equal to minus 16. Here alpha into beta equal to c by a, therefore c by a equal to 25. Therefore quadratic equation, therefore required quadratic equation is x square plus b by a x, b by a here minus 16x plus c by a 25, that is equal to 0. Therefore this one is the required quadratic equation. Next problem, if a comma b are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0 and c comma d are roots of x square minus 12x plus q equal to 0, where a, b, c, d form geometric progression. Prove that q plus p is to q minus p equal to 17 is to 15. Given a and b are the roots of x square minus 3x plus p equal to 0. Therefore a plus b equal to minus 3 by minus of minus 3 by 1, that is equal to 3. Suppose alpha and beta are the roots of the quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta equal to minus b by a, but here minus b minus 3, therefore minus of minus 3 by 1. A here 1, therefore it is equal to 3, and call it as equation 1, and a into b equal to c by a. C by a here, c here, p by 1, that is p, call it as equation 2. and C and D are the roots of quadratic equation x square minus 12x plus q equal to 0. It implies C plus D equal to minus P by A, that is 12. That is equation 3, and C into D equal to C by A, Q by 1, that is Q. Call it as equation 4. Here A, B, C, D form a geometric progression, since A, B, C, D are in geometric progression. I take ratio as R, first term here A and common ratio as R. Therefore, B equal to AR, C equal to AR square and D equal to AR cube. Since A, B, C, D are in geometric progression, therefore I take B equal to AR, C equal to AR square and D equal to AR cube. Here first term A and I take the common ratio as R. Then equation 1 and equation 3 becomes, then equation 1 and 3 becomes, see here equation 1, A plus B equal to 3, but B here AR, A plus AR, that is equal to 3. It implies A into 1 plus R equal to 3. Call it as equation 5. And in the equation 3, C AR square D AR cube. Therefore, AR square plus AR cube equal to 12. It implies here A into R common, A into R square common, 1 plus R equal to 12. Call it as equation 6. Solve equation 5 and 6. Equation 6 by equation 5 equal to equation 6 by equation 5. A cancel, 1 plus R cancel, R square equal to, it gives R square equal to 12 by 3, that is 4. It implies R equal to 2. Put R equal to 2 in equation 5. Put R equal to 2 in equation 5. A into 1 plus 2, 3 equal to 3. It implies A equal to 1. Therefore, the roots are first root is A here 1, B AR 1 into 2, C AR square, C here AR square, A is 1, R here 2 square 4, and D AR cube, 2 cube 8. Therefore, roots are A equal to 1, B equal to 2, C equal to 4 and D equal to 8. Then equation 2 and 4 becomes, then equation 2 and 4 becomes P equal to, see here in the equation 2, P equal to AB, A1, B2, therefore P equal to 2. And in the equation 4, Q equal to CD, C equal to 4 and D equal to 8, therefore Q equal to 32. Therefore, Q plus P by Q minus P, the ratio of Q plus P and Q minus P, that is equal to 32 plus 2, 34 by 32 minus 2, 30, that is equal to 17 by 15. Therefore, Q plus P is to Q minus P equal to 17 is to 15. That is the required ratio. Next one. The sum of two numbers is 6 times their geometric mean. Show that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 roots 2. I taken the numbers are A and B. Let the numbers be A and B. Given the sum of two numbers, here numbers A and B, sum of the numbers means A plus B equal to 6 times their geometric mean, 6 times square root of AB. Squaring both sides, A plus B whole square equal to 36 square root of AB whole square AB. It implies A plus B whole square means A square plus 2AB plus B square equal to 36AB. I write it as A square plus B square equal to 34AB. I write it as A square minus 2AB plus B square equal to 32AB. It implies A minus B whole square equal to square root of 32AB. It implies A minus B equal to square root of 32. It can be written as 16 into 2, take 16 outside, 4 root 2 into square root of AB. Call this equation as 1. A plus B equal to 6 into root AB. Call it as equation 1. It has equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 gives equation 1 plus equation 2 gives 2A equal to 6 into root AB plus 4 root 2 into square root of AB. It implies A equal to, I dividing by 2 both sides, 3 plus 2 root 2 into root AB. Call it as equation 3. Equation 1 minus equation 2 gives, here A and A cancel, B minus into minus plus B, 2B equal to 6 times root AB minus 4 root 2 into square root of AB. It implies B equal to, I divide throughout by 2, 3 minus 2 root 2 into square root of AB. Therefore, show that the numbers are in the ratio 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. We want the ratio of the numbers. Therefore, A by B equal to, here A here 3 plus 2 root 2 into root AB by B 3 minus 2 root 2 into square root of AB. It implies A is to B equal to 3 plus 2 root 2 is to 3 minus 2 root 2. Here root AB cancel. That is the required ratio. Next topic, sum to n terms of special series. Actually, this topic is deleted for this academic year, but I will do just 1 or 2 problems. This may be help you to the competitive exams. We have 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of first n natural numbers 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to n equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Sum of squares of first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. Next one, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube up to n cube equal to n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. Sum of cubes of first n natural numbers is n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4. 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2n plus 1 equal to n square. Sum of first n odd integers is n square. Using this formula, we can find the sum of some special series. Problems. Find the sum to n terms of the following series whose nth term is. Here nth term of the series is given. Our aim is to find the sum of first n terms. Here first problem, A, nth term is an or Tn. Given nth term Tn अथवा An equal to n into n plus 3. We can write it as n square plus 3n. We want sum to n terms Sn. Sn that is equal to, we can write Sn is a T1 term 1 plus term 2 plus term 3 up to nth term. That can be written as summation Tn. Summation Tn. That is equal to summation Tn. Nth term here n square plus 3n. That is equal to, we can write it as summation n square plus 3 times summation n. Summation n square equal to sum of squares of first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 3 into summation n, sum of first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to, simplify this one, n is common, n plus 1 is common. I also take 6 as common, 6 I take outside. Here 2n plus 1 is remaining. Here n into n plus 1 I take outside. I take 6 outside, but here only 2, so here I multiplied by 3. For the numerator also I multiplied by 3, therefore that is equal to 9. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 6 into 2n plus 10. Here 2 is common, n into n plus 1 into n plus 5, 2 ones are 2 threes are by 3. That is sum of first n terms of the series whose nth term here n into n plus 3. Second one, nth term of the series n into n plus 1 into n plus 4. Nth term given, nth term Tn equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 4. We can write it as n into, multiply these two, n square plus 5n plus 4. That is equal to n cube plus 5n square plus 4n. We have Sn, sum of first n terms equal to summation Tn, T1 plus T2 plus T3 up to nth term. That is equal to summation, here nth term n cube plus 5n square plus 4n. That is equal to n cube. That is equal to summation n cube plus 5 into summation n square plus 4 into summation n. That is equal to summation n cube, n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus 5 times summation n square, n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 4 times summation n, n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to, here in all the terms n into n plus 1 is common, I take outside n into n plus 1 and denominator 4, here 6, here 2, I take 12 outside. LCM of 4, 6 and 2, 12, I take 12 outside. But here only 4, I take 12 outside, therefore 3 into n into n plus 1 plus, here 6, I take 12 outside, therefore into 2, 10 into 2n plus 1 plus, here in the denominator 2, but I take 12 outside, so multiplied by 6, 6 into 4, 24. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 12 into, here 3n into n, 3n square, 3n square, 3n into 1, 3n, 10 into 2n, 20n, 20n plus 3n, 23n, plus 23n. Then 10 into 1, 10 plus 24 plus 34. That is the answer. That is enough. That is the sum to first. Therefore, that is the sum of first n terms of the series whose nth term n into n plus 1 into n plus 4. Next, third one, nth term equal to n square plus 2 power n. Given, see, nth term equal to Tn, that is equal to n square plus 2 power n. We have Sn, sum to first n terms equal to summation Tn, that is equal to summation n square plus 2 power n, that is equal to summation n square plus summation 2 power n, that is equal to summation n square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus summation 2 power n, that is 2 power 1 plus 2 power 2 plus 2 power 3 up to 2 power n. This is a geometric progression with the first term 2, common ratio is also 2. Therefore, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus, what is the sum of first n terms of the geometric progression? A into r power n minus 1 by r minus 1 for r greater than 1. I apply the formula here, a to 2 power n minus 1 by 2 minus 1, that is equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 2 into 2 power n minus 1, that is enough. That is the sum to n terms of the series whose nth term n square plus 2 power n. Next, fourth problem, D, nth term equal to 2n minus 1 whole square. Given nth term an or tn equal to 2n minus 1 whole square, that is equal to 4n square minus 4n plus 1, a minus b whole square formula, a square minus 2ab plus b square. We want here sum to n terms Sn, that is equal to summation an, that is equal to summation 4n square minus 4n plus 1, that is equal to 4 into summation n square minus 4 into summation n plus summation 1, that is equal to 4 into, what is the summation n square? Sum of squares of first n natural number, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n square equal to n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 minus 4 into summation n into n plus 1 by 2 plus summation 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus n times, that is n, that is equal to, here 2 2s are 2 3s are 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Here 3 is the denominator, here 1 is the denominator, here 1 is the denominator. So I take 3 outside. Also n is common in all the 3 terms, I take outside. That is equal to, simplify this one, n plus 1 into 2n plus 1, that is 2n square plus 3n plus 1 into 2. Therefore, that is equal to 4n square plus 6n plus 2 minus, I take n outside, but here I take 3 also outside, so here multiplied by 3, 6, 2 into 3, 6 into n plus 1 plus, I take n outside, 3 is also outside, so here multiplied by 3. That is equal to n by 3 into 4n square plus 6n minus 6n cancel, 2 plus 3 5 minus 6 into plus 1 minus 6. So that is minus 1. That is the answer. N by 3 into 4n square minus 1. That is the sum to first n terms of the series whose nth term 2n minus 1 whole square. Next problem. Find the sum to n terms of the following series. Series is given. First problem A, 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 plus dot dot dot. Here we can write the nth term. Nth term of the given series, nth term, that is equal to Tn. That is equal to first term, see here 1 into 2, second term 2 into 3, third term 3 into 4. So nth term n into n plus 1. Take n equal to 1, 1 into 2, take n equal to 2, 2 into 3, take n equal to 3, 3 into 4, like that, nth term n into n plus 1. That is equal to n square plus n. Here we want sum to n terms of the series Sn. That is equal to similar problem summation Tn, that is equal to summation n square plus n. That can be written as summation n square plus summation n. Summation n square formula n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus summation n into n plus 1 by 2. That is equal to, I take n into n plus 1 by 2 outside, that is common in both the terms. Here 2n plus 1 by 3 is remaining plus 1. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 into, here take LCM, 3 is the common denominator, here into 3, 2n plus 1 plus 3, that is 2n plus 4, in these two 2 is common, 2 into n plus 2 by 3. That is equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2, I cancel 2 by 3. That is the sum to first n terms of the given series. Next, second one. Next, second one. B, given series is 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square plus dash dash dash. 3 into 1 square plus 5 into 2 square plus 7 into 3 square plus dot dot dot. That is the given series. Here nth term can be written as nth term of the series. Nth term equal to an or Tn, an equal to, see here, first term 3 into 1 square, second term 5 into 2 square, third term 7 into 3 square. Therefore, here 3, 5, 7. These are in arithmetic progression. 3, 5, 7 are in arithmetic progression. Here first term 3 and common difference 2. So, nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d. D here 2. That is equal to 2n plus 1. 2 into n, 2n, minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 2 plus 3, plus 1. So, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1, then 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, that is n square. That is equal to 2n cube plus n square. That is the nth term of the given series. Here we want sum to n terms, Sn, that is equal to summation an, that is equal to summation an here 2n cube plus n square. That can be written as 2 into summation n cube plus summation n square. That is equal to 2 into summation n cube n square into n plus 1 whole square by 4 plus summation n square n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. 2 1s are 2 2s are. Here n into n plus 1 by 2 common. Here n into n plus 1 remaining. Here 2n plus 1 by 3 is remaining. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. I take LCM, 3 is the common denominator, least common multiplier. Here I multiplied by 3, 3n square plus 3n plus 2n plus 1. That is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 by 6, 2 into 3, 6 into 3n square plus 5n plus 1. That is the sum to n terms of the given sequence. Next problem, find the sum to n terms of the series 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41. Here we want sum to n terms of the series Sn equal to 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41 dot 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 up to nth term Tn. See here, this sequence 5, 11, 19, 29, 41 is not in arithmetic progression. Here 11 minus 5, 6, 19 minus 11, 8, 29 minus 19, 10. Therefore, difference between the consecutive terms is not same. Therefore, it is not in arithmetic progression. Also, 11 by 5 is not equal to 19 by 11, that is not equal to 29 by 19. Any term divided by previous term madaglu saha same barta illa, so it is not in geometric progression. So this is one special problem. I call this equation, this as equation 1. I rewrite this one, Sn equal to 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus dot 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 up to Tn. I call this equation as ನಾನು ಬರೆಯುವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಕೇಳಿದರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲೇಸನ್ನು ಈ ಕಡೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೆದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರುವ ಹಾಗೆ ಬರೆದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟಿ ಎನ್ನಿನ ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಟಿ ಎನ್ ಮೈನಸ್ 1th ಟರ್ಮ್. T1 ಹಿಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಟರ್ಮ್ Tn ಮೈನಸ್ 1, n ಮೈನಸ್ 1th ಟರ್ಮ್. ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2, equation 1 minus equation 2 gives Sn minus Sn 0 equal to 5 plus 11 minus 5 6, 19 minus 11 8, 29 minus 19 10 plus 41 minus 29 12 dot dot dot. Here Tn minus 1, nth term minus n minus 1th term minus Tn. I take this minus Tn to the left hand side, that becomes plus Tn equal to 5 plus 6 plus 8 plus 10 plus 12 up to Tn minus 1. See here, this series is arithmetic progression. This sequence is in arithmetic progression. 8 minus 6, 2, 10 minus 8, 2, 12 minus 10, 2. Therefore, this is the sum of n minus 1 terms of AP with A equal to 6 and D equal to 2. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 5ನ ನಾನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನಲ್ಲೂ n ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ nth ಟರ್ಮನ್ನು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ನಾನು ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 1ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಕ್ವೇಷನ್ 2 ಕಳೆಯುವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ n minus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ n minus 1 ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅರಿಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರೆಷನ್. ಹಿಯರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಈಸ್ a and common difference is 2. Therefore, Tn equal to 5 plus, what is the nth term of the, what is the sum of n terms of the arithmetic progression? n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is n minus 1, so n minus 1 by 2 into 2a, a here 6, so 2 into 6 12 plus n minus 2, n minus 1 alla, n minus 2 into d, d here 2, that is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 by 2 into 2 into n, 2n, 2 into 2 4, 12 minus 4 8, that is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 by 2. Here 2 is common, 2 cancel, therefore it is equal to n minus 1 into n plus 4, that is equal to n square minus n plus 4n, 3n, minus 1 into 4 minus 4 plus 5 plus 1. Therefore, nth term of this series is n square plus 3n plus 8. But here we want sum of first n terms, therefore Sn equal to, therefore Sn equal to summation Tn, that is equal to summation, here nth term Tn equal to n square plus 3n plus 1. That can be written as summation n square plus 3 into summation n plus summation 1. Summation n square, sum of squares of first n natural numbers, that is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6 plus 3 into summation n into n plus 1 by 2 plus summation 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times, that is n. That is equal to, here in all the term n is common, I take LCM as 6, that is equal to 2n square plus 3n plus 1, multiply these two, plus ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು 6 ಕಾಮನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಸೊ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಬೈ 3, ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಬೈ 3, 3 into 3 9, n I taken outside, therefore it is 9n plus 9 plus, here I take n outside, so into 6, that is equal to n by 6 2n square plus 3n plus 9n 12n plus 1 plus 9 plus 6 16, that is equal to n by 3 into n square plus 6n plus 8. Here 2 is common, 2 ones are 2 threes are. That can be written as n by 3 into n plus 2 into n plus 4. n into n square, n into 4 4n 2n 6n 8. That is the sum to first n terms of the series 5 plus 11 plus 19 plus 29 plus 41. This completes our chapter sequences and series. ಈ ಚಾಪ್ಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್, 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 2 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, 4 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ 1 ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಟೋಟಲಿ 11 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸಿಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.